So hi everyone, welcome to the first video lecture of Primavera after introduction. So in this video we will be learning about OBS, how to create a new OBS and what is OBS. So OBS is simply organizational breakdown structure. Now what does that mean? See, I'll give you a practical example. Suppose there is a company, there is a very big company of Larsen and Toubro, L&T Construction. L&T Construction, what it does, it has several departments. Several departments are distributed on the basis of the projects that the L&T take. Like for example, one particular department is buildings and factories. What it does, it takes all the projects related to factories and buildings. One is transportational department. It takes all the projects related to highways and roads and expressways, etc. Similarly, water related one department is there which takes all the projects related to water supply schemes and water treatment, effluent, etc, etc. So these are all departments. Now every department has its head. Now suppose L&T gets some particular project related to building. Now that building project will be allocated to one responsible manager. That responsible manager will be the head of the buildings and factories department. So that particular to assign the project to the responsibility manager, we have to create an OBS. Now how will we create an OBS? We will have to create an OBS of L&T Construction. Inside that L&T Construction, we will have the departmental head 1, departmental head 2, departmental head 3, along with the names of different departments. First department is buildings and factories department, the head of B and F, buildings and factories. Similarly, the department head of water department. Likewise, we will have different departmental heads as the OBS, organizational breakdown structure. So let us see how to create one. So see, you will have to go to the menu and you will have to go to this enterprise option. Inside this enterprise, you can see the option of OBS. This is OBS. So you will have to click on this OBS. Now you can see several predefined enterprises already. This one I have defined, but there are several ENC, energy, manufacturing. These are predefined by the system already. So we will have to click on this enterprise and then we will have to click on this add button to add. Okay, now you can see new OBS. Now we will have to define this new OBS by the name of the company, like ABC company. Okay, so this is now done. Now inside this ABC company, we will have another subcategorization. Okay, one will be DEPT department 1 head. Okay, this is one. Okay, now inside this ABC only, we will have another subcategorization of department 2 head. Okay, and we can bring it down as well. Okay, similarly we will have one more as department 3 head, DEPT department 3 head, and we can also bring this at the third position using this. Okay, so now we have already defined our enterprise. Now you will see that this ABC department 1, department 2, department 3 are in the same line, you can see, but we want department 1, 2 and 3 inside this ABC. So what we can do is we will click on department 1 head and then we will click on this. So this gets under ABC. Similarly, department 2 head and we can click on this. Similarly, department 3 head and we can click on this. So now you can see that department 1 head, 2 head and 3 head are all under the ABC. So when we will define our enterprise, our new project, then we will have to allocate that project to one of the heads depending upon the type of project we have got. Suppose we have got a project related to buildings and factories, then we will allocate that project to department 1 head. So this is just OBS, organizational breakdown structure. I hope it is clear to you. So now we can close this and we are done with the OBS part. So thank you everyone. I hope you understood this.